Good morning, dear students. Lesson number 2, Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution have started before many days, and today this is the last day of this lesson, and in this lesson we started to know making a socialist society. In Soviet Sangh, a society, a social society was made by Bolsheviks. How they improved their society? First, industries and banks were nationalized. Industries or banks were nationalized. They have no personalized. Bolsheviks permitted peasants to cultivate the lands that had been socialized. The land had also been socialized, and as well as 5-year plans were imposed at that time to improve the peasants and the country condition, and they fixed all prices, and also they provided public health care was provided. Public health care प्रोवाइड की गई उस समय, एंड एज वेल एज इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज्ड ड्यू टू द रीजंस in industrial production increased, and they also gave quarters for industrials, for workers. Quarters were set up for workers, and the period of the early plant economy, the period of early plant, because they linked 5-year plans, and the plant economy was linked to disaster due to rapid production. Rapid production के कारण इकोनॉमी डिजास्टर की तरफ जाने लगी, यानी उसका विनाश होने लगा. At that time Stalin came there, and after Lenin, Stalin introduced his philosophy, that is called Stalinism, and he also introduced collectivization also. From 1928, Stalin started collectivization program. Stalin started collectivization program. In this program, in collectivization program, all peasants were forced to cultivate in collective form. They cultivate their production in collective form, and also their profit was shared. Profit also shared, not individualized profit, and resisted collectivization were punished. जिन्होंने भी कल्टिवलाइजेशन का विरोध किया, अपोजिशन किया, they were punished with deported and exiled. Deported and exiled, उनको बाहर भेज दिया गया. In spite of collectivization, production did not increase. When Stalin imposed the policy of collectivization, the policy of collectivization did not increase the production of their country. In 1930, between 1933, one of the most devastating famines in Soviet history, and at that time about 4 million, it means 40 lakh people of the Soviet Sangh were died due to devastating famines. And in the last part of the lesson, the global influence of the Russian Revolution and the USSR. In many countries of the world, कम्युनिस्ट पार्टीज वर फॉर्म्ड, कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी बनाई गई, जैसे लाइक कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ ग्रेट ब्रिटेन, बोल्शेविक्स फाउंडेड Comintern, an international union of pro-Bolshevik socialist parties. By the time of Second World War, the USSR had given socialism a global face and world stature. By the time of Second World War, the USSR had given socialism and a global face and world stature. And it means it started the world face. It gives the world face to the socialism. A backward country, which is backward country? The Soviet Sangh. Soviet Sangh was a backward country which had become a great power due to socialism, due to communist party, and in industries and agriculture had developed in Soviet Sangh, and the poor were being fed in Soviet Sangh. It means many more developments in Soviet Sangh were shown and were produced. So many countries, like different type of countries, Britain, China and Vietnam, they adopted the policy of Soviet Sangh so that they may also make a developed country. So dear students, the lesson was completed here, and I think the lesson was very long, but do not have any problem in the lesson, and you noted your notes in your classwork and learn it also. I will give also questions for homework in your notebook homework copy. Thank you.